morning news is brought to you by Hathel Furniture, the global furniture brand. Now get premium quality furniture in the affordable price. Visit Hathel Furniture, Bypass, Sainik Colony, Jammu. Call 932-9800-003.
At least 2 unidentified terrorists neutralized in an ongoing operation in Katpora area of Shopian district of Jammu and Kashmir on Tuesday. According to the Central Reserve Police Force, the troop of 178 BN CRPF along with Indian Army and Jammu and Kashmir Police conducted a joint cordon and search operation in Katpora, Shopian, Jammu and Kashmir. A brief exchange of fire had occurred between the troops and terrorists at 6 am, the CRPF said.
Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha on Tuesday reviewed the security arrangements with respect to ensuring District Development Council elections, by-elections for panchayats and urban local bodies. Lieutenant Governor stressed upon the officers to ensure free, fair, transparent and peaceful elections. He emphasized on providing sufficient security to the participating candidates besides ensuring maximum participation of people in the upcoming election for DDC and panchayats and municipal by-elections. The trends in an ongoing counting of three-phase Bihar polls have reaffirmed the importance of triangle politics, where a two-party alliance makes an invincible combination despite seemingly insurmountable odds. Triangle politics has little room for smaller parties. A single party does not get a majority on its own in this scenario. Then the trends indicate that none of the three major parties, the Janata Dal, the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Rashtriya Janata Dal, is anywhere near the magic figure of 122 in 243 member Bihar Legislative Assembly, and an all alliance will be needed to form a government in Bihar. A woman was killed and 20 others were injured when a bus ferrying members of the marriage party collided with the minibus in the Bishnaha area on city outskirts. Police said that late on Monday night, a bus carrying members of a marriage party on the way from Jak to Nandpur collided with a minibus when reached near Bishnaha. A woman died on spot and 20 persons suffered injuries. The injured persons were hospitalized when the police had taken the cognizance. A day after organizing Tractor Rally, Jammu and Kashmir Congress on Tuesday launched a signature campaign here. The campaign was launched by AICC in charge JNK Affairs Rajni Patel, flanked by JKPCC Chief Ghulam Ahmed Mir and other senior leaders. The Congress leadership organized the signature campaign against the new land laws, farm bills. They said that the people are being misled, and to aware the masses, the signature campaign was launched in Jammu. In a stern message to China and Pakistan, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday said all its member nations of SCO should respect each other, sovereignty and territorial integrity. The remarks by Modi at a virtual summit of 8-member Shanghai Cooperation Organization came into the backdrop of Sino-India border row in the eastern Ladakh. Also, Islamabad's attempt to internationalize Kashmir issue and indulge in the cross-border terrorism against India. The Prime Minister delivered the message in the presence of Chinese President Xi Jinping and Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan, who were amongst the heads of the government attending the summit chaired by the Russian President Vladimir Putin.
भारत के समस्त मानव कल्याण के प्रति आस्था का प्रतीक है। अभूतपूर्व महामारी के इस अत्यंत कठिन समय में भारत के फार्मा उद्योग ने 150 से अधिक देशों को आवश्यक दवाएं भेजी हैं।
For the third day in a row, daily coronavirus infections in the country settled below 50,000 mark, the Union Health Ministry said on Tuesday. The ministry said the figures assumed significance in the context of some countries reporting as high as 1 lakh cases per day since last 3-4 days. 72% of the new infections reported in a span of 24 hours are from 10 states and UTs, while Delhi continuing to report the highest daily new cases at 5,983, which is less than its previous day tally of 7,745 new cases, the ministry said.
अगर उनका औसत देखें तो प्रतिदिन हमने 11,18,000 से ज़्यादा टेस्ट किए, तो ये भी काफ़ी बड़ी संख्या है। और इसके बावजूद यानी 11,18,000 टेस्ट हर दिन करने के बावजूद जो पॉजिटिविटी रेट है वो अभी भी घट रहा है।
Appealing the people to strengthen and support Panther Party, Harshdev Singh, JKNPP chairman and former minister, has said that it was high time that Dogras identified and acknowledged the services of those who were actually championing the cause of the Jammu. He said that NPP has vociferously projected the concerns of Jammu region and fought for safeguarding its interests and all possible forums to the entire satisfaction of its people. It was time to support and strengthen the party for the ultimate empowerment of the people of the Dogra land, asserted Singh. He said that neither the national parties nor Kashmir-based parties were the solution for the ills afflicting Jammu region.
ओहदे के ऊपर रहे हैं नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस में, वो भी अपने सैकड़ों समर्थकों के साथ पैंथर्स पार्टी का दामन थाम रहे हैं और आए दिन नौजवानों का पैंथर्स पार्टी में शामिल होना ये दर्शाता है कि लोगों का भरोसा पैंथर्स पार्टी में लगातार बढ़ता जा रहा है। हम इन तमाम नौजवानों का पैंथर्स पार्टी में स्वागत करते हैं।
Continuing his endeavour to provide development activities to the citizens of Jammu city, Chandra Mohan Gupta, Mayor, Jammu Municipal Corporation, on Tuesday kick-started the construction work of the platform with tiles as well as the installation of iron grills around the already commissioned open air gym along with roadside opposite AG office at Shivnagar, Jammu of Ward number 33. Mayor said that this open air gym with requisite number of equipments was established here on the demand of locals and morning walkers association during the lockdown period, and remaining development work in the terms of installation of well furnished tiles and railing has now been started.